Cheers. Damn. Wow. What did daddy? You know something? In America, you, Australia, belongs to us. Everywhere. You will let you get us. You damn! How are you? How are you? How are you?
I don't win you, Momo.
You fine? You my friend.
You're very annoying.
What, man? You say?
You're annoying, man.
Hey, excuse me, find out.
What do you do when you saw the boss account?
I don't know if she can. Is it? You little girl, listen to me.
Now,
unlike you.
Now, you're not it. So some of your say,
please, can't you speak English?
I can't speak English.
Oh, okay, you. Who is you? You speak English?
Shut up, man. I don't want to hear anywhere. One of the last time, not encouraging too much market to another. What can who be?
Yeah, you
so, your friends, somebody, okay, 3 months. So, one of the last time, encouraging too much market.
Why?
Now, they're more here.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. We are from the state of America. Why is this shout?
What side of America? Washington DC or New York? New York.
No, he's saying facts. He's saying Washington.
I said that. Is it Washington DC?
Yeah, Washington DC.
You're lying because you already said New York.
New York is my brother sitting in New York. I sit in Washington. This.
What kind of animation do we show at Washington DC?
Animation is animation. Like to the limit.
Yeah, limit, man. I mean, what kind of toy, like cartoon?
Listen, have you seen New York before?
No, Ghana. Because I'm very brilliant and I also study books. Whatever I see, I read it. So I know everything about it.
So.
You know the person of Sikapa? Yeah. You know the Shikushima shrine?
What? Is that Ishikishima? What? No. You go. You fuck me. You go, right? You are my friend. You know America. She's not America.
Excuse me. Yeah, condensed na mujina.
It's not you. It's not you. It's because of the little game. The mentality is too sharp.
I'm madam for you. Sorry.
Yes. Let me give you $1. Let me give you $1.
You have made mine. Sister get hurt. The next time you try that again, it's not gonna be a good day for you. It's gonna be a bad day. Shut up, I don't want to never in your life again. Shut up.
Hey! Wow! You why? You why? I will take you to America. You finish school. I will take you to America.
I don't want any sugar to take me to America. I already have a scholarship, man.
Okay, now.
You got a scholarship. You shut my ears. You broke my ears. Why? You are daughter. You speaking quality English. You can't speak English. You the sharp man. You go. Let's go.
Now they all cancer some and me as a division. I answer because I as a Boga. What do you want when it's yam and I say? That I do, Mamma. I have my America saying here, but I have to lie on one.
In America, you have Zoom lion. In Ghana, you have Zoom lion. Oh, then you are Ghana is too young. Ghana is too young. Ghana too small in a country.
So what?
It's
Do
over.
you even know the smallest continent in the world?
In the
Do you know
continent.
the biggest continent in the world?
The continent. No.
Asia is the third biggest continent in the world.
You said, which Asia?
Asia is the first continent.
No. Which part of the Asia do you know?
You know what? Yeah.
Hey,
not
trouble,
saying-
Mabel.
Hey, listen.
What?
Don't you know that Australia is the
Hold on,
biggest?
baby.
Don't you know that even?
What's our summer idea in Japan?
Yeah, I don't understand this woman.
Hey, don't you know Africa is the second largest?
Read the second leg. I'm knee down for you to the same height.
Yeah.
Speak to me.
Yeah.
You say the height of who?
Africa.
First, now we're
the second
winning. So who ya?
the second largest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Africa. No. What did the Africa do for me?
Oh, Africa, we have some continents like Ghana.
What did
I
the
don't know
Africa
the
do?
picture.
I want to live to the same height for you to speak.
Boga.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Boga is talking. Boga is
shut up,
talking.
man.
Hey,
Let me
I'll
talk.
head you. I'll head you. Fine.
It's okay.
What's up, dog?
Hey, you're annoying.
But someone down for now, we need to push here. If you're not the push now, remember the left and right. Now for them, when they say, "What can I say?" I'm going to who do you have when you say you're working? One not the right.
Come say something. Come. Hey.
Listen. Is the truth? Is the right? Is the truth? Is the right?
Yes.
Is the truth? Is the right? Is the truth? Is the right? Let's go, man.
Borgers. Can jump Borgers.
But do you know something? Come on, everything. Bombo clap. I call president. President not pick my call. Why? How are you doing? Yeah, please come. Hey, you come down. How are you doing? I'm Mr. Richard from UK. What about you? Jasmine. Jasmine, why Jasmine? It's in UK. Isn't not the Jasmine in UK? Yeah. Yeah. Who is taking care of this body? The body. I like the shape. I like the everything. Who the thick? Who the control? Yeah.
Oh, we are Borgers. So, what? Kasana mo kan one view as mo want it.
From where? Like,
Yes, serious Borgers.
from where? Everything.
From American.
America, even so.
New York. America, New York.
I don't know when you feel Hobayana.
No, listen to me.
Listen
to me. Listen to me. I'm a rich man. I'm a rich man. I have properties. I have money.
Like, seriously.
I have everything. I need big girl like you to take you to America. Yeah.
Some people Borgers need.
Who's dressing now? Oh, Ghana, when was you dressing?
Oh, I say at Harry, you cook Roma.
Hey. You say,
Wait.
yeah, mommy, we say blame party pa.
Hey,
Now, where say we want to know?
Hey!
I'm gonna call you now. Only I'm gonna feel
No,
by
listen.
So I say, so what?
Listen.
Like,
Hey,
You know me.
When you Borger rich? When you
Listen,
Borger rich?
I'm Borger
Borger
rich.
justice.
Aye.
No.
Listen, you quiet. I improv. Bow me to UK.
hey,
I improv. Mahama, the now president. I take him to Canada. I'm the one who
like you guys are funny.
control the Ghana system.
You guys are
Everything.
funny. Your English even doesn't feel like you came from outside.
You leave him. I will beat you one day. I will show you. You say I'm God.
Omo your Borgers. But we no one pay. What did you we are person no simple.
I me any na. I say Borgers like me the way I'm
Listen, the class 4 or class 5.
Any
Of class.
yeah.
Listen to me. Don't
Hey.
do. Come on. No. Listen. Love is not about class. Love is not about money. Love is not about height. It's about the wisdom. It's about the mind. It's about the heart. It's about the everything control. All your body. If you love me, come. Right. Follow me.
So you think you have all that you said?
Yeah.
That I want in you.
Come forward.
Please, I'm in a hurry, so I think I have to.
You give me your phone. I'll give me your number. Call me evening.
Later we will see you.
You don't give me your number.
Later, I'll see you.
Hi.
You guys are even delaying my time. I'm in a hurry,
No.
please.
No. Hey. I'm coming.
Thank you. I'm
I'm
fine.
Little girl, look at me. Big girl. Let me control the system right now. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
You see me? Yes. Do you know that I can take care of all of your family members? Yeah.
How?
If you go to my hometown, every month, nobody pay light bill. I'm the one pay all.
Okay.
If you go to what's my friend, I take the MP to the seat. No one vote for him. I only one vote for him. So me, I know you love me. If you love me, I go love you. I go show you, take you to America. Yeah. No talk. Yeah. No yeah. You don't love me.
Yes,
You can go. You don't like.
Okay.
Go.
Thank you.
No problem. Let's go. I'll go win her. No problem. Yeah, you know me. You come down. You say too no. You the clean man. You the fuck man. I say you the fuck man. You the tell me the fuck. This guy, I don't go pay him. You say.
Why would you say that?
It's okay.
You listen to me.
I like you. That's why.
You listen to me.
I'm following you.
Yes.
You listen to me.
You're the leader. So, check out.
Check.
You said. You do one.
Yeah,
You go away. I said, I'm too cold.
Restaurant so the be chira with you.
Na adwuma no no.
yeah, go to jaje. I'm say.
One pebble bon obi efi America bana me no medjuma no.
Yeah,
I didn't put that one that's I didn't good.
Listen.
I say mojaduro, wa no mojaduro.
Listen. Yo,
What man there? Orange to your car.
listen. You people, where are you from? You meet us everywhere. Why?
Yeah. Mo mama to your cream, I say we say thing.
You say Ghana is for us.
Yeah.
Ghana is for everybody. Ghana is for free.
Boga.
And you do you know the Asra.
What you say?
Let's go.
Jaje.
I'm this guy.
Why you the shake man? I said you the shake man.
Oh, sorry.
Ha, you the shake man.
Nah.
Who are you?
I said, "What for now? Papa, friend, you know some boy. You
We no stand. In America, they don't do this. Who are you?
Pex, be more tired, you more process a Pex.
Rasta no subu afu. You go aduma. Where aduma?
Yeah, done and in the Rasta.
Kuta moja duro no di na chi say aduma.
Rasta born out.
I say whether 4 pence dey aduma. First we share mo na mo de na mra. Adaka o shi.
Ade Rasta no mutu.
Who are you?
Next time. Hey. You shempa na say.
Before you speak English, you speak English.
Hey! You know you want to be mad, nigga. You are mad. Me mad. You tell me mad.
You say
No, let them know that we are not Borgers.
Let me talk to you. 1 minute. Let me talk to you. You can't say. You can't say. The teacher for Pempa boy that full.
You know, I understand.
Okay, let me tell you in English.
Yeah, okay them.
The shoe electrician pole. You share here. Now we
pull up. Best one can say pull up. What is shampoo boy?